I have a quick one I can do on behalf of Kathy. Show off some fresh calcs. Cool. So we have a couple more calcs in the bag now, and I will show the first one. It's called EOMONTH. This is a great example where it's just like people could actually hack this by writing calc to go figure out the end of the month. But even easier is to just type in EOMONTH and go to the cell, and we'll go this month, and we get the end of the month. And where this is quite handy is then calculating the number of days in the month. And for some reason, there's a time zone issue here, but again, we have tools that can fix that. So we'll just make a ceiling of it. And now we have days and month, and we can do stuff like, users per day per month very easily. So that's a great one to have. It just makes life super easy. The other one that we've added is a little bit different. So in Excel, they have this concept of if error, where you can actually wrap essentially nonsense and catch it and spit out an alternative. Unfortunately, we are not quite able to do that. Someone else could probably explain why. Kathy could probably explain why. But a lot of the use cases for if error are for essentially coalesce. So like handling errors in the result set. We actually had one of these come up yesterday where we had a bunch of nulls. And so like if, for example, you fill a data table with an average, you can't actually do stuff with the calculations because you're full of nulls. And so now we can do things like if error this, we can set the user ID to 1, and it will essentially wrap all of these nulls and give us back results. So it's pretty similar to IFNA now, but I think this will load. Yeah, you can see that you can now wrap nulls and errors in the result set and actually essentially coalesce it out. So a pair of new functions that are quite valuable.